Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Goodvibes by Nidhi. So in today's video I am going to teach you how you can make Madhubani art using very less art supplies and enjoy this beautiful Indian art form. So let's just get started. As I told you, you need very less art supplies. So these are the sketch pens which retails for rupees 25. In Madhubani art, borders are very important. I am making here tree of life. Let's make some flowers now. In Madhubani painting, intricate details are very important and it looks very pretty. Now I am making a very simple border design. I am making different form of lines to cover the areas. In Madhubani painting, double lining is very important. Now cover the entire tree with leaves. In the lower part of the sheet, I am making water creatures like sea turtles and fishes. I am making these motifs in a very simple manner so that every beginner out there can try this beautiful Indian art form. All the drawing part is done now. Now it's time to fill colors in them. I'm using here regular sketch pens. You can use watercolors or poster colors as well. I'm using here all the traditional and vibrant colors. The combination of black and white and colorful motifs looks very interesting and pleasing to the eyes. Now I am doing some final detailings and it's done. I hope you loved this quick tutorial and find it useful. If you want a closer picture of this same artwork, DM me on my Instagram and I'll share the picture with you there. Let's promote our Indian art forms. If you have come till here, thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my creative family. I shall see you in my next video with lots of new ideas. Till then, do take care of yourself, keep creating art and bye.